tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just don't do anything that I wouldn't do. And when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you.
乌龟来了，乌龟来了。
햇살사기가 덤대댔대 오로리 고로겠다 이모네고 Thank you.
Make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. But I don't give a fuck.
进来一家伴手礼店。 下船之后要走路过来，搭乘免费的接驳车回原本的乘船处。最晚的一班接驳车是到4点半。今天的晚餐要来吃这一家洛松屋，是吃鰻料理、鳗鱼料理的。 住这一家日本的民宿，很有日本的感觉耶。冰箱里面也有点心，还有一些饮料可以喝。柳川的鲜奶，这个是晚上的散步地图。打开冰箱还有冰棒哎，这里有一些可爱的小饰品。 这个是我们今天坐的船，到处都有可爱的小东西，也有一些书，还有桌游。